So we got another bodybuilding meal. This is a torta that I got from a Mexican restaurant. After a torta, it's not bigger than your hand, or at least big as this plate. It's not a real torta. You're getting a whole bunch of calories and carbs right here. If you drink beer, you'll get more carbs. $148 calories, 13 carbs. So I just got off work. I'm gonna eat this and drink this. This is my relaxer. It relaxes my whole body. So if you don't drink beer, drink you a protein shake. And try your best to finish the whole meal, okay? That's the only way to get big.